Artificial intelligence is definitely revolutionizing recruitment. It's often referred to as hiring machines due to its increasing automation of tasks and data driven approach. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Artificial intelligence automates repetitive tasks like resume screening and candidate sourcing, freeing up recruiters' time to focus on higher level activities like the candidate evaluation and relationship building. This significantly reduces the time to hire for companies. However, experts believe that the key is to strike a balance. AI streamlines the process, but experienced recruiters bring invaluable insight, recognizing qualities and potential that AI may miss. AI powered ATS are transforming the recruitment landscape by providing advanced features that enhance candidate matching, predictive analytics, and data driven decision making. These systems not only improve the efficiency and accuracy of the hiring process, but also enhance the candidate experience and promote diversity. As technology continues to evolve, the integration of AI and ML in ATS will further revolutionize how companies attract and retain top talent. AI algorithms can quickly scan and sort through thousands of resumes, identifying the most suitable candidates based on predefined criteria. These tools can match candidates' skills and experiences with job requirements more accurately than manual screening. AI can analyze candidates based on objective criteria set by the recruiter, helping to mitigate unconscious biases that can creep into human decision making during the hiring process. Secondly, AI powered chatbots can answer basic candidate questions and provide real time updates on the application status, enhancing the overall candidate experience. AI can scan vast pools of data to identify top talent with specific skills and experience required for a particular job. This allows for more targeted sourcing and attracts a wider range of qualified candidates. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends that can inform hiring decisions. For example, AI can be used to predict which candidates are most likely to be successful in a particular role. However, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human recruiters. The best approach leverages the strengths of both AI and human expertise to create a more efficient, effective, and fair recruitment process. Let's look into today's headlines. Facebook and Instagram's Made by AI label is updated by Meta. Throughout all of its apps, Meta is changing the Made with AI badge to AI Info. This action was taken in response to user outcry against Meta for labeling real photos as made with AI. In order to better align its labeling strategy with its goals, the company also disclosed that it is changing the Made with AI label to AI Info across all of its apps. If users would like additional information regarding the content, they can click on the AI Info tag. Samsung's Bengaluru R&D Center develops Hindi model for Galaxy AI. Samsung's Bengaluru R&D Center has improved technology for languages including Thai, Vietnamese, and Indonesian and developed Hindi AI model for Galaxy AI. The largest Samsung facility outside of Korea, the R&D Institute in Bengaluru worked with partners around the world to create AI models for British, Indian, and Australian English. The group had to handle 20 regional languages in order to implement the Hindi AI model. Three criminals have been arrested in Lucknow's first ever digital arrest case. Three criminals were taken into custody in what police are calling the first ever digital arrest, which is a significant accomplishment for the Lucknow police. Under the guise of CBI officers, the three cheated two victims out of a substantial sum of money through a sophisticated scam. By using their cunning strategies, the suspects were able to persuade their targets that they were part of authentic investigations into money laundering. One victim, a lady, lost rupees 43 lakhs, while another, a businessman, was tricked into sending rupees 2.71 crore. X facing backlash over making jokes on Hindu gods. Hashtag shame on Meta AI is trending. Recently, Meta AI, which is a feature of WhatsApp, has faced criticism for purportedly applying different rules to its content control of jokes about religion. Users have pointed out that Meta AI avoids making jokes about Islamic figures but permits jokes about Hindu gods, which has led to charges of bias and lack of neutrality. Social media users have been highlighting the problem with a number of screenshots. The State Bank of India offers MSMEs an online fast lending option. In an effort to provide MSMEs loans with a quick turnaround time, the State Bank of India has unveiled a web-based digital business loan solution for MSMEs invoice financing. The MSME Sahaj end-to-end digital invoice financing solution has been created and will offer services including loan application, documentation, and disbursement of the approved loan within 15 minutes, all without the need for human participation. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.